Yeah, so Dave and his guys at Solar Reflections have they've wrapped all of our vehicles here. We've probably got a fleet of 5 or 6 vehicles, and he's wrapped each and every one of them. Just to keep the clean look, keep it fresh, and so we look new while we're on the road. Oh man, it's so easy. I'm actually a Fleet Enterprise customer, and so he works directly with Fleet Enterprise to get everything handled. They will contact him and let him know where the vehicle. He's even gone so far as to go pick up the vehicle for me. He may not want me sharing that, but but he's gone and picked up the vehicle for me, brings it back to the shop, does what he needs to do, and even when we've needed a touch-up before, he's gone in and taken care of that for me pretty quickly. Oh, 100%. I wouldn't let anybody else do it other than Dave and Solar. They've always been so kind and courteous. Every time we go in to pick up a vehicle, he won't even let us take it until we go in, take a look at it, make sure everything is just how we want it. And he'll be the first to tell you they're not always perfect. We had one little issue one time. We carried it back up there. They fixed it just like that for us. And it's, that's why I say I will never use anybody other than Dave.